a glimpse of the desert city. This is a journey that seeks the roots to life and times of Bikaner, its rich heritage of food and culture. Walking through the desert always evokes an emotion. For different people, the desert takes different forms at different times. For some, it brings about a quaint sense of power or tranquility. It could also seem like an absence of a homeland. But for those who dwell in the desert, it is their identity. For them, the desert is life. Theory will never compare to experiencing a city from where its heart beats. The pulse of Bikaner lies in its marketplace, where the flavoursome food and the colourful people come together and infuse life onto these nameless streets. I am Ridhima Sood, a global traveller seeking adventures on the streets of Bikaner, hoping that you will join me in creating some mayhem. We begin our journey Desi style, in an auto rickshaw, to get the real local feel and get a sense of the life and people of the city on its streets. Founded by Maharaja Rao Bikaji in the 15th century, Bikaner is Rajasthan's 4th largest city, very well known for its rich heritage, cultural grandeur, and the tradition of hospitality. The city of Bikaner is soon becoming a popular destination. The seemingly simple city has everything that qualifies it as an exotic hotspot. And what lends the city its uniqueness are the architectural wonders that stand quaintly above its narrow lanes. A walk in the city would leave you in awe of its intricate carvings, jharokhas, and interior paintings, all of which are characteristic of such kind of architecture. Bikaner has always been known for its hospitality, its Ao Bhagat. It's very well known that the state spared no expense in entertaining its guests. Hundreds of cooks were employed, multiple cuisines were served, and culinary experimentation was the norm. In one such experimentation came about the bhujia. Sticking true to the tradition of being culinary pioneers, Maharaja Dungar Singh Ji in his era commissioned a special kind of savoury known as the Dungar Shahi Bhujia. This savoury was such a huge hit with the nobility that its popularity even trickled down to the masses, rendering a state of livelihood to many a people. The savoury since then has evolved into a popular modern-day snack known as the Bikaneri Bhujia. When one thinks of the Asli Bikaneri taste, the name that comes to mind is of Bikaji Foods International, the leading manufacturers and exporters of Bikaneri bhujia, papads, namkeens, snacks and sweets. They function under the flagship brand of Bikaji. Should we meet the man extraordinaire himself? आपने कंपनी की शुरुआत कैसे की?
ये बचपन में से मैं इस लाइन में जुड़ गया था, तो इसी के बारे में मैं दिन भर सोचता रहता। 87 में इसकी फैक्ट्री का प्रोडक्शन शुरू कर दिया, जुलाई 11 को, और 86 से मैंने इसकी नींव डाली। मैंने इसका एक सपना सोचा कि इसको भुजिया की फैक्ट्री बना के इसको प्रोडक्शन पे लावें, और इसका पैकिंग के बारे में भी मैंने 86 में पैकिंग भी इसका एक नया पैकिंग करना शुरू कर दिया।
बीकानेरी भुजिया में, बीका जी के भुजिया में ऐसी क्या खास बात है जो ये कहीं और नहीं बन सकता?
बीकानेर की भुजिया में खास बात है कि जो इसका मेन जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो यहाँ पैदा होता है, और ये हम भुजिया जो बनाते हैं ये हमारा पैतृक 7 पीढ़ियों से हमारे घर में बनता आ रहा है। जो भुजिया बनाते समय इस चीज़ का हमें बहुत गुण की ध्यान में रखते हुए हमें ये मालूम है कि इसका स्वाद ऐसे ही बनाया जाता है। इसलिए बीकानेर की जलवायु का भी बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है, पानी का फ़र्क है इसमें, और यहाँ के जो रॉ मटेरियल है उसकी विशेष इसका सहयोग है। इसलिए बीकानेर की भुजिया में बीकानेर का स्वाद और बीका की भुजिया का स्वाद जैसे उत्तम ही रहेगा।
The passion and determination of Mr. Shiv Ratan Agarwal led the way for modern manufacturing and brought about a significant change in the entire industry. Bhujia industry started becoming organized. This also gave impetus to the company. Bikaji grew manifolds.
बीकानेर के नाम से पहचान हो गई हमारे बीकानेर की पूरे इंडिया में कि भी बीकानेर का नाम है तो भुजिया, पापड़, रसगुल्ला ये चीज़ के नाम से भी जाना जाता है।
In this journey, Mr. Shiv Ratan Agarwal was duly supported and ably assisted by his family. It would not be wrong to say that he, in the same way as the royals did in their time, encouraged the culinary experts in his company to create and develop a brand of Asli Bikaneri products. Bikaji at present has 32 varieties and sub-brands of namkeen and sweets. आप कंपनी से शुरुआत से जुड़े हैं। बीकाजी आज इतना सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड है, इसकी सफलता के पीछे क्या कारण है, स्पेशली मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से?
सबसे पहला क्रेडिट देता हूँ मैं अपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को जो इसके साथ जुड़े हैं। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के सहयोग के बिना हम अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में इतनी जल्दी फैला नहीं सकते थे, उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन सबसे बड़ा है। उसके बाद में हमारे जो उत्पादन है उनकी जो क्वालिटी, उनका जो स्वाद, उनका जो टेस्ट और उनकी जो पैकिंग, ये सारी चीज़ें काउंट करती हैं। इस टीम के बिना हम कुछ नहीं हैं। आज हम एक टीम के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं, उसी का आज इतनी
Today, Bikaji stands tall as a 300 crore plus company with a pan-India presence and increasing sales. The brand has the highest production of Bikaneri Bhujia in India. The popularity of Bikaji transcends beyond borders into all major European, American and Gulf markets. Mr. Deepak Agarwal, the second generation entrepreneur, joined the business in the 90s. Following the directives of his father and relying on his own sharp business acumen, Deepak is poised to further lead the company.
Right now we have a turnover of 300 crore rupees, and I see that in next 3 to 4 years my plan is to become a 1,000 crore rupees company. We are coming with some new categories like pastas, instant food, instant soups, and some frozen curries, traditional snacks as well as western snacks. We are coming into the retail chains in various categories, like it could be a Bikaji cafe, it could be a Bikaji chaat center, it could be a Bikaji chaat wala, it could be a Bikaji mithai wala. So we are coming with various kind of chains in next 3 to 4 years, and I hope in next 5 years we'll achieve as a 300 stores. We have already a presence into US, in Dubai, at Singapore side, and UK, and very good opportunity to grow still.
Keeping on its tradition and blending in modernity, serving the real desi taste while exploring other cuisine cultures, Bikaji Foods International continues to delight its patrons with its Asli Bikaneri offerings and attain greater heights. I wonder what it feels like to sit on silken sand dunes under the star-studded night. listening to the romantic ballads of lovers such as Dhola Maro, humming along to the classic folk song Padharo Mare Des. On this rather dreamy note, I wrap up the lovely trip in Bikaner. The journey has been truly delightful. It's something which would in my memory linger for a long time.